Okay, let's transform your video into an anime style. First, open your Google Play Store. Search for Video Loop and install it on your device. Open it after installation. Tap the Allow button. Tap the Accept and Continue button. Then just tap the following buttons. Answer the short survey. Then wait to load. Tap Continue with Google. Select your Google email account. Close the ad. But also you can purchase the Pro version. Tap the plus button below. Select the New Project button. Tap the Allow button to access your pictures and videos on your device. Select your video. Just tap the screen to exit tutorials. Select your video. Go to Eye Effects on lower left of the screen. Just swipe to the right, look for Eye Anime Effect. Then select your desired Eye Anime Effect to apply on your video. Wait for the effect to apply. It may depend on your internet connection. Okay, let's try to play the video clip. If you are now satisfied, let us export the video. Tap Export button on the upper right corner of your device. Modify your export settings. Let's have 1080p for resolution. Tap the back button on your upper left corner of your device. Then save the video. Successful. Let us now play the animated video. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.